how to sign up or create a Wise account. If you want to create a Wise account, it is quite simple to do so. All you have to do is just launch the Wise application, and once you've downloaded it, make sure to launch it. Right upon launching, you will see this type of interface. If you already have an account, you can log in, or you can also log in with your Apple ID if you're on iPhone, or you can just tap on the register button that you'd be able to find there. After you tap the register option, on the next page you'll see a couple of options. So you have to use if you're using it as a business, or turn this off if you're using it as a personal reason. And you can choose an email or password that you want to create, and select your country of residence and tap on register. Once done, it will ask what you'd like to do now. Select a purpose, but you can also select decide later. And here is the type of things that you will see. You can send exactly this amount, and you'll receive that amount, and tap the continue button. On the next page it will ask you who are you sending to. You can select yourself, someone else, or whatever else it is, and just like that, your Wise account will have been successfully created. This way you'll be able to create your Wise account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.